Statement 5. Do what's best for you. If you think you should go left when everyone else goes right, go left. If you think you need to wake up at 7 a.m. to start your day right, but everyone else sleeps in, wake up at 7 a.m. It's so easy to think that you need to do what other people are doing. As human beings, we have the desire to fit in for safety and emotional security. But there are a number of cultural norms that don't fit with people as individuals. When your internal and external are at a head, go with your internal. You have to live your life. No one else is able to be you or live your life. So you have to do what's best for you. Take advice when it aligns with your values and goals. It's great to have mentors for guidance. If you are exploring an interest or developing a skill, their experience and knowledge can be of great help when going through troubled waters. However, if you ever find that something calls you to do things a little differently in your own way, go for it. A good mentor will encourage you to trust your gut because that's usually how they learned what they know. Trust yourself and do what you feel is best for you.